Looking for wooden magnetic toys to buy on Cyber Monday? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, the future begins with Robo, a curious little rascal that magically transforms into dozens of things with the power of imagination, by Tegu. Number 2, Click Clack. It's the iconic sound of two Tegu blocks coming together. Tegu has reinvented the wooden block in a way that brings new life to a favored classic, another great product by Tegu. Number 3, Tegu is bringing a new dimension to its award-winning magnetic building system, with the world's first ever magnetic wheels. Beautifully crafted wheels magically click onto any Tegu block creation, instantly transforming it into a mobile masterpiece. Cyber Monday 2018 is already here. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.